Welcome to this informational video explaining the Guardian Canary's emergency drone alerting system, known by the acronym of EDAS. In this video, we will focus on the beach safety configuration of EDAS, how it works, its components, and the services it can provide. Why exactly was EDAS created? Like other Guardian Canary products, EDAS is another innovative warning method that is uniquely designed to get people to take action to protect their lives. By using remotely launched autonomous drones to warn the public when their lives are in danger, the Guardian Canary continues to revolutionize the warning paradigm in the United States. In this video, we will be specifically explaining how EDAS can be utilized in a beach safety role. The example we will be discussing is its use by a beach community when red flag conditions are occurring. When a city purchases an EDAS package, the docking bays that house the drones, also called charging stations, are strategically placed along the beach to optimize their coverage area. These stations charge and protect the drones. When city officials or lifeguards determine that the surf conditions warrant red flag conditions, EDAS can be put into action. Using the remote command center, the head lifeguard, beach safety chief, or the person who oversees the beach at all times will instruct the drones to launch and what pre-recorded message to play. The message would be something like, "A red flag warning is in effect. For your safety, please stay out of the water." When the charging station receives the instructions, it automatically opens its docking bay doors and the drone launches by itself within 5 seconds. The drone repeats its message as it flies its predetermined and programmed flight down the shoreline. This flight path would be over the water to abide by federal regulations. After completing its missions, the drones return to the closest charging station and lands autonomously. The charging station then closes its docking bay doors and begins charging the drone for its next flight. Since red flag conditions typically last for an entire day, EDAS can be set to send out the drones at defined intervals during the daytime hours. This can be adjusted by the beach safety manager to account for changing conditions and beach crowd fluctuations. Now that we've gone over how the system works, let's take a closer look at the components of EDAS. EDAS hardware is comprised of components utilized in the smart aerial monitoring systems produced by a company called EasyAerial. EasyAerial is a company based in the United States, and all their products are produced in the US. Each EasyGuard charging station features an automated roof system which can be controlled on-site or from a remote command center. Each Osprey drone is made of military-grade material and is equipped with a thermal imaging camera and loudspeaker. They can be airborne within 5 seconds and can fly for 55 minutes, transmitting thermal video in real time. The Easy Remote Monitoring software enables the command and control of the drones from anywhere at any time. Here are more specifications on the Osprey drone. Some of the reasons we chose to incorporate the Osprey drone into EDAS is its ability to handle adverse weather, its long flight time, and its payload capabilities. While alerting beachgoers to hazards in the water is EDAS's #1 usage, the system can be utilized in many different ways. In search and rescue events, the drones can be used to assist in locating and aiding distressed swimmers. They can also be used to monitor waters for dangerous marine life, like sharks, jellyfish, or red tide, and aid in the detection of rip currents. Drones can be used in emergency situations to alert the public, or provide surveillance for first responders. They can also help in assessing storm damage after hurricanes or tropical storms. During large crowd events, such as festivals or concerts, drones can assist event staff and law enforcement in crowd control and safety. Our emergency drone alerting system will change the way your city looks at beach safety. With our drone approach, more beachgoers will adhere to hazardous warnings. With our drone's flight range, remote or secluded sections of your beaches that do not have flags available will receive timely warnings. This will reduce water rescues and bad publicity for your city. Your beaches will be safer, maybe one of the safest in America, and that's worth advertising to future visitors. For pricing information or to schedule an installation, please reach out to us via our contact information. Discounts for multiple system purchases do apply, and we look forward to hearing from you.